A small scale industry is an industrial in which investment in fixed assets, plant and machinery held on ownership or on lease does not exceed rupees 1 crore. However, this investment limit is varied by government from time to time. Entrepreneurs in small scale sector are normally not required to obtain a license either from the central government or from state government. Registration of a small scale unit is also not compulsory. In this lecture, you will learn about small businesses and their characteristics. Let's begin with the basic term business. What is a business? It is an organization involved in the trade of goods, services, or both to the consumer or customers. Now, what are the characteristics of a business? Let's go in detail with these characteristics one by one. Creation of utilities. Business makes goods more useful to satisfy human wants. It adds time, place, form, and possession utility to various types of good. A business exists to create and deliver value satisfaction to customer as a profit. Dealing in goods and services. Every business enterprise produces or buys or sells goods and services for selling them to the other. Goods may be consumer goods or producer goods. Continuity in dealing. Dealing in goods and services become business only if the undertaken on a regular basis. Sale, transfer or exchange. All business activities involve transfer or exchange of goods and services for some considerations. The consideration called price is usually expressed in terms of money. Business delivers goods and services to those who need them and are able and willing to pay for them. The primary aim of business is to earn profit. Profit are essential for survival as well as for growth of business. The role of small businesses in economic development of our country can be discussed with the reference to the following parameters. There is increase in the number of small enterprises, value of production in rupees, number of people employed and export earning in rupee term. Thank you.